on the end, okay? You will get in one of these rows, you will start on the end, all right? You will spin 10 times. This is because you want to land, okay? Okay, you don't have to. Okay? After that, you will come to the hula hoops. You have to go hula hoop and hoop for 10 seconds. Okay? And you got to, if it falls, you got to restart. Okay? And then you're going to come to the jump rope. You're going to jump rope 10 times. Go to the scooter. You got to scoot to the rest end of the thing, end of the tarp, and you got to run back. You got to scoot. Okay? Now let's hear it. Let's hear it now. Let's go. Ready? Here it comes. On your mark. Hey, we win the honor system here tonight. So marks, get set, go!
something with bark, tree. Oh. Can I spy something, a vertical log, tree? Okay, I spy tree. Oh, okay, my turn. Tree. No, like that. Oh, it counts. I didn't even spy it. It counts. Okay. Tree. Let's play something else.
I'm a hot day up, Chuck. I'm not making sure this stays at 10 when you drive by. You're checking out my awesome headband when... Oops. That's when you find out your company insurance, they didn't pay for this. So you all stay. Save cash and you better protect it from me.
Examples routine, fire and ice. They've always been that way as computers as individuals. What is this? And now as a pair team.
Great job, seniors. Okay, we're gonna get a little bit, we're gonna get a judges debrief real quick.
You are awesome.
Whatever.
And you have fabulous cheekbones.
Okay, overall they were all great, but seniors, way to bring the energy. Nice job.
Great interpretations and say no to fish.
I have one thing to say. Wow.
Very good overall. Sophomores, great job again.
Alright, it's okay. We believe in sportsmanship. Yeah, you know, we get a little bit of competition is always good. We are going to release the judges to go make their final call. Okay? I don't know if you guys are nervous. Sweaty palms, shake your feet.
Freshman. Whoa, look like your party poopers. Yeah, I look tired. Everyone is so...
Good work. While we wait for them, we're going to do a couple more cheering. We got a little more free stuff to hand out. So let's hear it. Let's be loud. Let's get some, let's go. Cuna, caveman, and then the louder side, we'll get beats and treasures, okay? This side's going to be Cuna, caveman. Cuna,
Obviously, because there's more of them.
Cuna!
And we have senior night tonight. I know you already know that for our senior girls. So let's fill the stands with students. Let's cheer our basketball teams on. We have amazing things happening for all of our sports this winter. And you guys rock. I really loved the dress-up days this week. Thank you, Elise Miller, for representing me so well. And we are being released here in a bit, a little early. The lunchroom cannot handle 1,300 students, okay? So, staff members, you just get the opportunity to start, what is today, B-Day? You get to start 7th period a little early. So those of you who have 7th hour, when you are released, and I'm not releasing you because I'm going to give you your student body president for the last words of wisdom, but when you're released, you need to go to your 7th hour class, and if you have a lunch, then you go to lunch. And CUNA High rocks.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the results are in. In 4th place, we have the freshmen.
It's the seniors.
Hey, which means the Club of Junior goes to the class of 2012, the seniors! Great job, seniors. Way to represent. Hey, again, guys, we really enjoyed it. It's been a great time. I would got a lot of